Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today we have an unboxing to do. Just got this little box in from Get FPV. I get a lot of my digital gadgets from there. This is actually the HDZero Whoop light system from Get FPV. I just figure I'll unbox it here so we can find out together what's all included and how this thing comes packaged. We got the double-bladed bat knife on deck. And so this is how it comes packaged in here. Let's get this open. It is sealed with plastic. And so that's it right there. We got the HDZero Whoop Light VTX right there. Usually this shielding is removed when it comes on the quadcopter, but they include it just in case you want to keep it on there. Here's the little HDZero Nano Cam. Not sure if that's the name of it, but it is a Nano Cam. Digimath sticker with the HDZero sticker. Should be something else in here. Okay, right up under there we have this, which is the back cover for the camera. We have some screws in there for the camera and or the VTX. Not sure what these little things are right there. Let's toss that there. And here's the wires. Let's open this up. Get some of this stuff out of here. We have two zip ties in there with those wires as well. And we have the cable that runs from the camera to the VTX. We have some rubber grommets for mounting on the flight controller or on the frame or whatnot. 4 rubber grommets, in case you don't have that already for your Whoop. And this is an adapter here for your update cable. This is the update cable here. And the final thing is the antenna here. I did purchase this to mount on that Beta FPV frame build that I was planning to do with Express LRS on it. I also have 2 other frames that I'm considering. These 2 frames are from CNC Drones. One of them is, I think this is called the Stingray. And this is a Y4 frame. And this one here is the Baby Turtle version 6, the Baby Turtle V6 from CNC Drones. So you guys can look forward to one of these builds. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet. Maybe the Beta FPV one first, or I'm kind of intrigued by this little Stingray here. Only thing about this Stingray, I found out later after I purchased the frame already that it needs some 3D printed parts. It does have the files on the website that you can use to 3D print your extra parts that you need for this guy. I think you need some 3D parts for this too, but I think I can get away without using those with this one. Just use the canopy and all from one of the Whoops that I have. You guys can look forward to that build coming up soon. Thanks for watching.